For creating final settlement open screen, click on Menu button, Payroll, Transaction, Final settlement open. The final settlement open screen is used for the final settlement of the employee when he is going to resign the job. For creating the final settlement open, click on Add button. Select the payroll run type as monthly. Select payroll run type detail as May. Select the employee ID. After selected the employee ID, give the separation type. Next, separation date. After filling the details, click on Save button. It shows the confirmation message. Click on Yes. It shows the information settlement entry opened successfully. The created record is shown in list page.